The world of technology is buzzing. OpenAI has done it again. They have released ChatGPT-3, a powerful new AI. This is a big step forward in artificial intelligence. ChatGPT-3 is making waves. It is changing how we think about AI. ChatGPT-3 is not just another chatbot. It is a powerful language model. It understands and generates human-like text. This has huge implications for many industries. Imagine a world where AI writes our content, answers our questions, and even composes music. This is the future that ChatGPT-3 is shaping. The release of ChatGPT-3 is a landmark event. It signifies a new era of AI, an era where AI becomes more accessible and impactful in our daily lives. It's time to delve into the world of ChatGPT-3 and explore what makes it so revolutionary. ChatGPT-3 is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, ChatGPT-1. While ChatGPT-1 was impressive, ChatGPT-3 takes AI to a whole new level. The difference is in the scale and capabilities. ChatGPT-1 was trained on a smaller data set. ChatGPT-3, on the other hand, has been trained on a massive data set of text and code. This makes ChatGPT-3 far more knowledgeable and capable of understanding complex language. The result is a more fluent and coherent AI. ChatGPT-3 can generate human-quality text in various styles and formats. This was unimaginable with earlier AI models. ChatGPT-3 is not just smarter, it's more versatile. It can perform a wider range of tasks from writing poems to coding websites. This versatility opens up a world of possibilities for various applications. What makes ChatGPT-3 so special? It boils down to its key features. These features set it apart from any other AI language model out there. First, its ability to learn and adapt is remarkable. ChatGPT-3 can learn from any text you provide. This means it can be customized for specific tasks and industries. Second, ChatGPT-3 is a master of language. It can understand and generate text that is indistinguishable from human-written text. This opens up opportunities for content creation, translation, and customer service. Third, ChatGPT-3 is not limited to just text. It can also understand and generate code. This makes it a valuable tool for developers and programmers looking to automate tasks or build new applications. Finally, ChatGPT-3 is incredibly easy to use. You don't need to be a programmer to interact with it. Its simple interface allows anyone to leverage its power. The potential applications of ChatGPT-3 are vast and span across numerous industries. Let's explore how this revolutionary AI is poised to transform various sectors. In the realm of customer service, ChatGPT-3 can power chatbots that provide instant and accurate responses to customer queries. This can significantly enhance customer satisfaction and streamline support processes. For content creators, ChatGPT-3 is a game changer. It can assist in generating high-quality articles, blog posts, and even creative writing pieces. This frees up human writers to focus on more strategic and creative tasks. In the education sector, ChatGPT-3 can personalize learning experiences by providing tailored feedback and answering student questions. This can revolutionize how students learn and interact with educational content. Moreover, ChatGPT-3 can assist in software development by automating code generation and debugging. This can significantly accelerate the software development lifecycle and improve code quality. Section 5. The future through AI-tinted glasses. A glimpse into tomorrow. The advancements in AI, particularly with ChatGPT-3, offer a glimpse into a future where AI is deeply integrated into our lives. This future holds both immense promise and potential challenges. Imagine a world where AI assistants manage our schedules, provide personalized recommendations, and even compose music tailored to our emotions. This future is not far-fetched, but rather a natural progression of AI capabilities. However, this future also raises questions about the role of humans in an AI-driven world. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's crucial to address concerns about job displacement and ensure that AI complements human capabilities rather than replacing them entirely. The key lies in embracing AI as a tool for progress while also being mindful of its ethical implications. By fostering collaboration between AI and humans, we can create a future where both thrive. Section 6. Ethical Considerations. Navigating the AI Landscape Responsibly. As we venture further into the realm of advanced AI, it's imperative to address the ethical considerations surrounding its development and deployment. One crucial aspect is ensuring that AI systems like ChatGPT-3 are not used to spread misinformation or create harmful content. It's essential to develop safeguards and mechanisms to mitigate these risks. Transparency is another vital factor. Users should be aware when they are interacting with an AI system and understand its limitations. This fosters trust and prevents potential misuse. Furthermore, it's crucial to address concerns about bias in AI. AI systems are trained on data, and if this data reflects existing biases, the AI system may perpetuate these biases. It's essential to ensure that AI systems are trained on diverse and unbiased datasets. By proactively addressing these ethical considerations, we can harness the power of AI while mitigating potential risks and ensuring its responsible development and deployment. Section 7. OpenAI's Vision: Shaping the Future of AI. OpenAI, the organization behind ChatGPT-3, envisions a future where AI benefits all of humanity. They are committed to developing AI responsibly and ensuring its benefits are widely distributed. OpenAI believes that AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to healthcare. They are actively researching and developing AI solutions in these areas. Moreover, OpenAI is committed to fostering collaboration and dialogue around AI. They believe that by working together, we can shape the future of AI in a way that benefits everyone. OpenAI's vision is ambitious but essential. By promoting ethical AI development and focusing on its positive applications, OpenAI is playing a crucial role in shaping the future of AI. Section 8. Conclusion: Embracing the AI Revolution. The release of ChatGPT-3 marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of AI. Its advanced capabilities and wide-ranging applications have the potential to revolutionize numerous industries and aspects of our lives. As we stand at the cusp of this AI revolution, it's essential to approach it with a balance of excitement and caution. By embracing AI's potential while addressing its ethical implications, we can harness its power for the betterment of humanity. The future of AI is bright, and with advancements like ChatGPT-3, we are entering a new era of technological innovation and progress. It's an exciting time to witness the transformative power of AI unfold. Section 9. A Call to Action. Join the conversation. The development and deployment of AI is not just the responsibility of tech companies and researchers. It's a societal conversation that requires input from all stakeholders. Engage in discussions about AI ethics, its potential benefits, and its implications for society. Share your thoughts and perspectives to contribute to shaping the future of AI. Stay informed about advancements in AI and its applications. The more we understand about AI, the better equipped we are to navigate its impact on our lives. By actively participating in the conversation surrounding AI, we can collectively ensure its responsible development and deployment for the benefit of all.